is Amrita from 10th B, and I'm today is here to present ASL on the topic time management in students' life. Time management plays a very important role in students' life. It is like managing the time and planning that what we have to do the whole day. Every time management is the key factor to success in any field of work. Every successful person talk about time management. Every person has 24 hours in a day, and we have to do our all necessary tasks in that day. We can divide the work in on its importance. Like if we have to do our homework, that is very important in every student's life, so we can do it first. Then if we have to playing is also very important in life, that it keeps us healthy and energetic, so playing is also very important. We cannot do every task in a day, like we have 24 hours in a day only. Every person has 24 hours, so we have to manage the time so that we can do our all necessary tasks in 2 to 3 days, so our all the tasks can be done. For example, if a student girl have to finish her homework and brought groceries from shop, and she has to help her mother also, and she have to go to tuitions in 2 hours, so she can do complete her homework in 1 hour. She can buy groceries in 15 minutes, and she can help her mother in 45 minutes, so that her work can done, and she can go on tuition on time. Every person talk about time management because they know that how time management has helped them in success. Thank you.
Okay. Now suppose if your exams are near, okay,
Yes, miss.
but then all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy,
Miss, please
and
repeat.
all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Now the parents are saying that your exams are nearing, 2 months are remaining, and they're just telling you to study. Okay, wherein you feel like no, you can manage your studies as well as your playing. Okay, so how are you going to convince your parents in this case? Because they're saying no, they are not allowing you to go out.
Yes, we can play, like if a person is playing 2 hours every day, he can play only 1 hour a day. And sleeping is also very important. He or she has to sleep 6 to 7 hours in a day. And in the remaining time, like time wasting, he can stop time wasting, and on that time he can study. And he or she can convince her parents that playing is also important. If he or she doesn't play, he or she will not feel energetic, so playing is also important. And on the other time, he or she can increase the time of studying in the exams, so the exam studies will also be done, and playing and sleeping is also be done.
Okay. And suppose if there is you love playing, and would you prefer going for playing any matches during your exam? You are a good player, okay, you play well. Suddenly there are matches which have been organized. So what will be your view in this case?
Like in a student's life, study is very important. So if exams are going on, and he know that before exams he should know that his or her match are there, so he can study before matches, before exam, so he or she can go for match. And if he or she has not read, he can postpone the match, so exams can go good.
Thank you.
Thank you.